Welcome to another video, guys. In this video we're going to take a comprehensive look at Bitcoin, S&P 500, DXY and Total 3. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure to join us on Telegram. It's the first link down below. You'll get access to charts, daily updates and relevant economic news, which you'll also find on X, the second link down below. If you're keen on taking your trading to the next level, consider joining our VIP group where we provide precise entries, stop losses, targets and trade justifications. You can also access our group chat where we discuss potential trade setups and much more. Let's get stuck in, guys. Starting with the S&P 500, not much has changed since our last video update for S&P 500. It is still struggling to get above the 6,000 psychological level, but as long as it remains above its prior highs at 5,700, we remain bullish. It's only a drop below this level that would likely lead to a steeper correction, as it would be the first time it has lost its prior highs, suggesting a shift in market structure. Moving over to DXY, it's great to see DXY playing out as anticipated and discussed in the last video. DXY is now rejecting from the channel resistance after putting in a small deviation. This deviation, as discussed, could lead to a multi-month downtrend, which is super bullish for risk assets. However, a breakout, which is highly unlikely in my humble opinion, will send it back to retest the higher time frame channel resistance. Now let's dive on in the most important part of the video, Bitcoin. Bitcoin has seen a nice and healthy correction back to the prior highs at 91k, which we anticipated and discussed in our last video. We also mentioned in our channel and in our expos that I was expecting a short-term reversal from 91k, right, to retest this prior support, turn resistance, and 97,300. And let me show you. This was our VIP long, 95,800 and 97,247, which got hit to the absolute perfection. Let me also show you our Telegram post here. This is the post I made. Bitcoin seems to be holding the 91k support so far, as mentioned in the coded tweet. I'm in a scalp long targeting the FAG around 97,300, confluent with 2 hour hidden liquidity at the perfect 0.86 fib. Not only were we developing a bullish vest structure which signified diminishing selling momentum, but we also had spotted a lower time frame demand area between 91,300 to 92,300, which resulted in a bounce back to our targets. The current price action is just a sideways chop between the 94k support and 97k resistance. But as long as it stays above the 94k support, I expect higher prices. A loss of this level and we can expect a drop back to 91k. BTC remains bullish as long as it stays above 91k. If it drops below this level, I'll make another video to give you guys downside targets and discuss where we can expect a reversal from. That's it for BTC, I guess, guys. As mentioned before, your focus should now be on ETH or ALTS, which brings me to my last topic of the video, Total 3, which is looking really exciting, really good. It's holding well above the 822 billion support. If you remember from my last video, I clearly mentioned that as long as Total 3 maintains above the 822 billion, we can expect continuation higher to target 1 trillion, which we are very close to hitting. The next target would be 1.15 trillion and then potentially a new all-time high. That's it for today's video, team. Keeping it nice, short and to the point. I've yet to sort out a few things for the channel. Some improvements will come eventually. Again, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.